Sanibonani, welcome to another episode. This show is dedicated to all types of artists to share their stories, experiences, and challenges they face in the entertainment industry.
Yes, Saga continues.
Stay with us.
Hello, Mzansi. Welcome again to my corner, Z's Cozy Corner. Today, I'm with Mzugisi, a Xhosa guy who doesn't know Xhosa. I'm kidding. We are saying Xhosa, but yeah. Mzu, unjani?
And right. Right now.
Right bhuti wami. Ngicela usixolele kancinci ngawe.
Sure. Senje before ndithethe ne, ndithethe ngam. Ndifuna ukuthi inkosi ngekondisa ku podcast yakho. Ndithi inkosi yabo. So yeah, and thank myself too, and I'm thankful to God and namadlozi akithi.
Wow.
Yeah. So MZ Your Promise. Umzukisi ligama lami ne. Then my stage name is MZ Your Promise. MZ Your Promise is an actor, rapper, an artist and entrepreneur. Yeah, that is who I am.
Okay.
Residing in Soweto, Orlando, born in Mdantsane.
Oh,
Yes. Yeah, I'm on East London.
Right.
EC.
All right. East London.
Yeah.
Nangumzu.
Hello.
MZK ne?
MZYWPRO.
Yo.
It's MZ Your Promise.
Yo.
MZ Your Promise. Yes, that's me.
All right. Actor.
Rapper. Entrepreneur.
Uh-huh.
Zonke nje radio presenter model.
Wow.
Yeah, ndizenze zonke.
Wow.
Zenze zonke. So I'm an artist. Andifuna uziboxa.
Yeah, you are.
Yes.
You are. Yintoni kuphala nto ukuthi you know what, this is where I belong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ndi-artist wami mna by nature.
Oh, it's
Ayo, yeah.
awuyelanga esikolweni. Ihamba
I-art,
kumaveni.
yeah.
Okay.
It's calling for me.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a calling. So I've been an artist since I was 4 or 5 years old. Qala kwami uziqaphela ba I'm an artist.
5 years.
Bendithanda uzoba.
Khona imisebenzi oyenzileyo like wayengasiphathelanga kahle.
Yeah, senje
Okay,
uzoba
uthanda ukuzoba like
andizange ndenze imali ngako but ke bendiyenza nje ihobby.
nakuyo ukhona ne.
Yeah. I-art essentially i-art yonke.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kakhulu ku music.
Yeah, nimrapper.
Kakhulu ku music ne. Yeah,
Yeah,
because
mostly.
yeah ne.
Yes.
Yintoni ekwenze ubana makuthi no man. Ndinalento yo music so like ithi ndiphakamele.
I think for me mhlawumbe into ebufana nentwaso like in music.
Oh, I always
yeah, it's a
say
calling.
lidlozi.
Yeah, lidlozi. Yeah.
I always say lidlozi.
Because an artist uyayiqaphela artist
Yeah.
msinyane, stress code, aura, indlela athitha ngayo akho that much ubona I'm an artist man what. So I always just click. So art I've never chosen art yabo.
It chose you.
Yeah, it chose me.
No.
Yes. Situation njalo. I've never chosen to be an artist yabo. Yeah.
Okay, music wakho?
Umusic wami
Uyarapper ne?
Yeah, ngumrapper
Okay.
Umusic wami ukhona ku social network zonke na ku YouTube. You can search MZ Your Promise.
Okay.
Yeah, I think
Let's talk about that later.
later ni sure.
Yes,
Sure,
my
right.
dear. Okay. Kunama gigs.
Yes.
Uyathola ama gigs yo performer?
Yo, my gigs, I think it's been 3 to 4 years now. So to my gigs, I've only been getting acting gigs as an extra. But I pray that one day ndifumane a full role. Music, it's been years as of money in it. But I tell you, I must stop, yabo, because it's what I love.
Ne? Yo 3 years mfethu.
Yeah,
It's difficult. It's difficult.
challenge number
So
one.
kwi acting uyathola ama gigs
Yes,
for
extras.
background.
Background, yes.
Ne? How is it?
Acting, yeah, imnandi right.
No, I mean like how is it ukuthi ube laphayana on set around
I'm a celebrity.
yes, around ama celebrities and how does it feel when you are on set they are telling you to do this
And
like
this
how
and
does
this.
it feel?
It's a learning curve because
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, uyafunda and then ke ngoku ufunda a lot every day because if ingqondo ivalile awuzonantsika mna ndingula muntu ukuthi ba every day I'm learning. Yeah, so you learn every day, and ke udibana ne legends who've been in this game for years. Sometimes ubabuza, hayi man kwenza, then they give us tips. Yes.
Okay. Uyathatha ama notes kanjani?
Yeah, start our notes.
Yeah, it's a good thing, man.
Yeah, it's a very good thing. But ke ngasenala ama notes. I pray that one thing.
Nawo man, nawo. Sihamba zonke izinto. Are there any difficulties kwi industry ofacana nazo?
I-difficulties ishomi. The first one, leyena Ntsika, that I'm not getting gigs, is the first one. Yona, zathi nacho mina. I've also written a book ethi Why I Retired, Guns and Roses. I used to be a player.
Soccer player?
No, ladies player. A playboy. A player.
Dlalani?
Yeah, udlalane. I used to be that. Then I was getting support from ladies left, right and center. Then inanseka yami ihamba na brand, ne gigs nazo ndizifumana. Then ever since I stopped, no gigs.
So imagine doing the right thing and then something bad happens to you.
So it's challenge yokuqala endisekulo process ndisadila nayo kunangoku yabo. So andiyazi noba mhlawumbi i-bitterness or i-jealous or what not yabo, i-challenge number 1.
So ama-fans wakho beyingama-girlfriends wakho?
No
or buthola ama-fans buthola ama-gigs buthola ama-gigs the time
bendiyiplayer
yes.
Ne-said siskipha ikeps futhi yonke la wile then ke ndathi no stop ayeyo decrease graph.
No way.
Exactly.
That's why you see uyenza something good, something bad iyenzakala kuwe.
So a challenge number 1 that I've faced.
Okay, then on set ama challenges ofacana nawo?
Like acting.
Yes, obvious. Like you go right so far.
Go right. Kai challenge that and mhlawumbi sometimes agent is isibhatele later than mhlawumbi bathemba bathi hayi okay emveni kwenyanga ndizofumana, then mhlawumbi babhatele emveni kwe2 months. Leyo challenge endinadibana nayo.
Imali uyayithola yona like bayabhatala. Yeah, that's good.
So leyo challenge endibene nayo ku-acting.
Okay, ucinga noba ingastophe kanjani lo challenge?
Le problem.
Yeah.
Hey, ayisho man ndiyazi man baye ngasitopeka kanjani, because okwenzizama ngandlela zonke namba ndilungise andiyazi mhlawumbi communication andiyazi.
Don't you think maybe if let's say unemzuzu production yes. Wena kule production yakho ufune uthi okay fine ndifuna like xa ufuna icrew ufune nabantu abanye abayi2 abazoba in charge with background. Yes. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Don't you think ingaba ngcono kanjalo, because like if i-production iyabhatala nabo bayabhatala.
Yeah.
If i-production iyabhatala immediately ne background imali iyangena. If i-production idelay wonke umuntu uzodelay ukuthola imali. I think ingaba ngcono kanjalo. I was just saying, thinking out loud.
Senje at least ba mhlawumbi ke na singava nezinye izimvo zabanye abantu. Mina ndiyakuthanda ukushare nabanye abantu, mhlawumbe sive nabantu bebukele i-podcast nabo mhlawumbe ku YouTube bathi
comment.
Si exchange i-different views.
Yeah.
Is from Nancy ndiyayiva point yakho nje. But ke yeah.
Artists, don't you think whatever I just said, if kune production ifune maybe kuzodepend ukuthi i-production izoba ingakanani, then if i-production enkulu ifune abantu abayi2 bayazi ukuthi these people bazoba in charge ukubheka ama-background so that imali ama-background ingadelay. I'm just thinking out loud. Ane?
I love your idea. Serious.
Okay. Kukhona I want uhleka ntoni. Kukhona umculo ingoma obusy ngayo like khona something uyipheka.
Mina into eyenzekileyo nendine mixtape yami ne release I think 2018 or 2020 and go sure. Then last year I release EP yami. EP yami nayo ayinazi sales, but ke into eyenzekileyo I think 3 days back nendi upload a video yami noSjava. that I shot.
I saw it.
Yeah. Thank you. So ndishude nayo nosijaba, then ke I think ndisalungisa phana financially here and then, so that ndi-upload ingoma yami nosijaba, pretend ingoma nosijaba, love song.
Allah.
Yes.
Wow. So it's a secret. Ungasivisa kancinci taste.
Hayi kaloku.
Hayi thina ubuyipostile mos. Ubuposte ivideo konje.
Ndiposte ivideo ndingayipost ingoma.
Okay, ngoku uzasivisa nontani?
Ngoku into eyenzekayo ne kan acapella yabona ngokwakho umculo. So ndifuna ndirap acapella.
No, it's fine.
Yeah,
if you're comfortable, you can.
Yafuna so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why not?
So it's a love song, ne? Yeah, it's dedicated to you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
But bendiza, because I can also sing kind practice in my voice. What yabona is a voice box, what not.
Okay, nangoku if you're not comfortable, it's fine.
I'm comfortable.
Okay.
Comfortable is my
Right.
name. Yeah. So when you better nje i-verse nje, just for you and only you. See, when I wedwa. Yeah. Yeah. Secret. Sithandwa senhliziyo yami, enzizindo nami, mfezekisi wamaphupha kamzokisi lo, ndaqala ukubona wena, ndathina mfuna lona, ungamanzi angcungileyo afuna ukuxoxa, sokhwela esesilahla, ndiyokwenza mama ekhaya, I'll put a ring on that thing, you got a nice figure, hold my right hand, I'm your boyfriend and you are my girlfriend. So hlala sit together njenge-cricket, the wicket. Now I got a 6-pack and you got a 6 cents. Qala kwami ukubona was like dear diary, ndifunda ngebhasari. So hlala sit together njengenyama nebuchari. So hlala sit together njenge-cricket ne-wicket.
Wow. That was special for me, guys.
Only you.
Ne?
Yes.
That's nice. That's nice.
Thank you.
Okay, Mzu. Where do you see yourself in next year?
Mna ntsho mina into mna that I pray that I get is sales ne-gigs, acting both nakwi-rapping macala ne-sales, i-hoodies, umculo what zonke nje merchandise yami yonke into, and then ke ngondikwazi yohlala ema-suburbs. Honestly speaking, xa udumile kunzima uhlale kasi.
Yeah, ne?
Because into eyenzekayo ne, let's say mhlambi i-artist edumile isekasi nebubani mhlambi yabo, or ingenzeka mhlambi umuntu angagwaza nje just because ufuna uphume nje emaphepheni, sponsor spotlight, phume TV. Okay man, famous artist bani.
Qhabe ngempama nje,
Exactly.
just for fun.
Yeah, exactly. Zezonto nje into ezincinci, so mhlawumbe unakwazi because okay, you have been on TV nami naye ndizofuna ufuna nje la fame, not because ufuna ukugwaza. So uzawuphuma emaphepheni, bani headlines yabo. So kunzima ne-safety yabona.
Yeah.
So a situation.
How is the situation, guys? Like uyacula mos. How is the treatment kubantu abasekasi? Bakutreata njani? And now that bayakubona TV, I mean.
Kaloku i-reality ngeke sibaleke not wonke umuntu is happy. Even nale video yami nosijaba, not everyone is happy that I did it.
Yeah.
Some people are happy, some people are not happy.
Yeah,
reality le ngeke sibaleke.
And ngeke sibaleke. But i-bottom line ukubana pusha.
Yeah.
Lento uyiphethe ngesandla. Keep it.
I-bottom line inyanisile ukongeza ke ngokule bottom line yakho ndongeza i-bottom line phezulu bottom line. So into eyenzekayo wena Chomi, I think i-sales uMandela yena ndinganjalo so that ndimuvele esa. I pray that kwenzeke lonto.
Kuzokwenzeka.
Thank you.
Just keep on praying.
Yeah, praying very hard futhi.
Keep on praying. I can't wait for Ntokazi Javu. Dibene phi noShavu? How did you?
Yeah, uSijaba sidibene Alex FM bendiyokwenza interview khona. Then ke fortunately naye besibukwe same day kuye noMaraza neCruiser boy 2. Then ke ngosadibana khona we exchange i-details. But inumber kaSijaba naMaraza anginayo. Ndine number bene-number ka-cameraman wakhe. Team yakhe not yakhe. So sadibana sancokola kanjalo. Then ke nala video sayishoota same day sidibene Alex FM. sidibene ngolo hlobo.
Ne but into endinothisileyo ngawe ubana uyathetha jonga wakho umlomo sana usikwanga nje uyasebenzisa uyathetha wena.
I'm very outspoken. Hayi ndiyazazi
ne
I'm very outspoken so
wow. Okay kuna abantwana emakhaya abafuna ukucula abafuna ukuba ngama actors abafuna ukuba se-TVini abafuna ini you understand ungathini kubo?
Ndingathi they must not give up on their dreams because mna yabona one of the reasons I'm not getting support even some family members ne friends zam mna bendi academic that drop out so abanye abantu bane plans zam zoba ndibe academic what not but academic is not for me mna ndi artist so that's why benga support abanye. Yes so situation enjalo bafuna academically
and wena ulapha
lapha nawe so situation enjalo yabo.
No man kufanele into bana baqhelane nalonto.
So you must not allow mhlawumbe your parents or family or friends to choose the dreams zakho.
Yeah because uzo end up usenza into like ungayithatha le career bafuna ukuba uyithathe like for instance if khona omnye wathathiswa inursing ngengane ugqiba kwakhe
because mhlawumbe mama wakhe wayinurse naye.
Yeah that's why as clinic sekukhona abonesi but ubona ba hayi lipolisa elijoni eli lijoni upethinality nje uza club but ubona mama lijoni like look ayonesi le.
I-message ngathi ngathi ba you must not allow you don't need anyone's validation or approval to chase your dreams.
Yeah ne and for ama parents kumele ubana ba support abantwana babo.
Yeah
because this thing yokubana umuntu i-parent or whoever i-friend athi no man not acting hambe yokwenza i-medicine wena nawe udecide exactly now udecide bana okay let me take this medicine asindiyithathe 3 years so ku medicine kulapho ke ngoku andithi so nemali khona ke ngoku uzohamba uyokwenza lento uyifunayo uyabona bana uwaste ixesha lakho nemali
because mhlawumbe even though ufana ngo-NSFAS uzawufuna uyibhatala la mali back.
Yeah music wakho utholakala phi?
Music wami ukhona ku YouTube na ku ezinye i-socials but ke sisazama noba ube khona ku Apple Spotify cha ke sisalungisa phana pha because ke yonke lento izafuna imali nexesha and what not but ke we are working on that. Yeah we are working on that. Bambala abantu endisebenza nabo bambalwa great but ke okwangoku ne they choose but not to be mentioned because ke abanye abantu bathanda uba behind the scenes.
Yeah. Right. So abantu osebenza nabo ngama managers or ngabantu like nabo banicula nonke
the artists ne producers and editors and what not but ke I manager yona choma nginayo yazi ndiyayiba ufumana manager umuntu ozonzamela ama gigs. Iyafuneka.
Okay.
And manage akongqa. Akongqa Thombo can work together sidlala ngami.
Okay. Sizoyibona indaba ye manager senza kufanele manager.
So akongqa sawunqokola.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Is there anything ofuna ukuyithetha?
I think sendigqibe nami yonke into bendifuna uyithetha ne but ke ena nomhlanje ngayithi ngathi I'm praying for his sales and gigs and thank you for your time. Ndiyabulela ixesha lakho.
Okay ndikubonile uyathengisa mfethu. Uyapusha. I like it. I like the spirit.
Andithandisisi ke nale yokuthengisa amazimbane ke cha abantu bamandile kunibuka. One of the reasons I'm not getting sales. Challenge number 3.1. So serious. I'm facing different challenges for different reasons man yabo. So abantu bamandile kunibuka. So if mhlambi ngithole gigs abantu bazoyisabotage because hayi sisafuna umbuka sikaqebi serious ungayithela ijoke wena serious nyana hey Jomi so injalo and ke enye challenge endibana nayo yandi artist understand ne xa we artist abantu babone TV bafuna uhlala nawe nami ingaske ndispend isikhathi
nabo ne
bonke one by one yabo cha ke unfortunately I can't. So abantu ingase baspend ixesha nami bonke but I can't as much as I love them but I cannot. Yenye challenges that I'm facing nayo So that is why ndistrugglisha kwenye icala to get gigs because abantu basemanile ukunibuka nohlala nawe.
Hayi abazukubuka mabakubuke eTV
ndanga.
TV
sebeyazi.
mabakubuke eTV nosuba bahlale nawe so.
Banintsi abantu.
Music utsho uyazibhalela ne?
Yeah, ndiyazibhalela.
Uyazibhalela uphinde ucule.
Yes.
How do you do that? Like, okay, for instance, the song you just sang. Yinto eyenzakalayo noba like yinto eyenza ucula ngawe noba ucula ngezinto ozibonayo noba ucula ngezinto like ngezinto ezenzakalayo like
Mna ngicula ngezinto ezenzeka kum andinayo ingoma endikhe ndathi andiyibhale ndiyibone kubani bani.
Okay.
But ke there's nothing wrong with that yabo because ke singabantu sidilane omnye ne uyirayitha ne writes about himself omnye uyirayitha ubhala izinto azibona zisenzeka ngaphandle. There's nothing wrong with that because we are different. We all writers igqibile qha ke we write different spectrums.
Okay. You kungathiwa khetha between acting no music. Obviously ungakhetha music.
Azikhetha zombini.
Hayi kuthiwa khetha kaloku.
Kutsho bani?
Kutsho mna.
Thina konito banikhethe iathi yonke nje lanto.
Uzithanda
zombini equal, yes. Equal, yes.
If kena kungathiwa not music and acting but then still kwi entertainment.
Ndikenza i-wrestling. I'd be a wrestler.
Okay, ngicela sivale.
So
Ngiyakoyika ngoku.
And ndingathanda imanager mbe nguPaul Heyman.
Yo.
Yes, wrestling ndayithanda nje. I'm a big fan of WWE.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm a proud fan.
Okay, I think we're done. I can't wait for you and Sjava.
Thank you.
Hopefully sizothetha ngawo uzandiphipisa xa ndiyi-1 ndithi.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much man. Thank you for ukuncama ixesha lakho uze apha. Really we do appreciate.
Sure.
Guys, cala siphinde sibonane futhi.